Boom. Look. Come on, in the mouth. Open up. Open up. Open up. Open up. Oh. Those are so good. You have some. Oh, you're gonna make noises, huh? Here comes a bumblebee. Boom! I gotcha. Oh, I did. I gotcha. Now those are good. What are you spitting them out for? Come on. Come on. They're good for you. Nanas. It's nanas.
Hi, Luke.
Oh, maybe it's because Mama's not feeding you, huh?
No, he does that.
Here, some more. Here's some more.
Good job. Are you eating?
Yeah. No, I don't like it a lot.
Maybe just try a little on the spoon.
Oh, that's too much.
I usually just put a little on the tip so he doesn't.
Eat, eat, eat.
Eat. Good boy.
Good boy.
Good boy, Luke.
That's a good boy. Oh, yummy, yummy. Yes, sirree. Luke. Come on. There's a little more on there. He wants control of the spoon.
Yeah.
Okay, you go. Go for it. No, wrong end. Wrong end. Here, this way. That way. There. That's it.
Hey, there you go, buddy. Yeah. You're
Good
so.
boy.
That's right where you put it.
Good boy.
Yummy bananas.
Here, let Grandma have it. Put some more on. Come on.
Good job.
Whoa. Just a little bit more. There we go. Just a little bit more. Yeah. Yes, sirree. We keep missing the big piece though.
Mm-hmm.
Good boy.
Is your grandma feeding you?